Hi, me and Brittany are going to take a video of us eating chicken. And by the way, what time is it?
11:15.
11:15, and we made my mom make fried chicken. So, here we go to the kitchen. Say hi, Mommy. We're making a video of us eating fried chicken. Can you say hi? Okay. Oh, it smells good in here. Okay. Here we go. Running for that. You guys take a video when the house is a wreck. The house isn't a wreck. I can't get the stupid can. Scoot over. Closer to me. Okay. I love some fried chicken. Mommy, have a fork. I'll get a nice, beautiful juice pop once in a while. Okay? The gum doesn't go on your table for it. The gum does not belong on the table. I told your mom, send a bag of goodies. Isn't this place good? Isn't this right to Bernie, Mommy? Right. Oh, don't you just love when the fried chicken is crispy on the outside, and then when you open it up, it's steamy and hot on the inside? She's running. You're not wasting any soda, because that's all there is. I'm not going to waste
Yes,
soda.
you do. I go in your room and get it.
That's only when it's hot. I only waste soda when it's hot. Because, like, sometimes I pour soda before I go to bed.
You do it during the day, too.
Ah. Fried chicken is amazing.
This is like Chinese chicken.
It does?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, the rice is really good. Oh my napkin! No! Your napkin's rolling all over. What? Mom, did you even hear what I said?
Napkin's rolling all over.
Yeah. Ah, stop going. Good. There's nothing like fried chicken and rice at 11:11 at night. Wait, what time is it?
11:19.
11:19 at night. Nothing like some fried chicken.
Yep. And watermelon.
Seriously, I can eat fried chicken like every day. Ask Greg, like whenever he comes over, we always eat fried chicken. I always ask my mom to make it. Or rice and beans. Rice and beans, though.
Oh, yeah, you shouldn't eat beans.
Yeah, beware when I eat beans. Woo! You know what I mean, right?
She farted in the place where I have to sleep tonight.
What? I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I can't help it. Like I have a never-ending stream of farts in my system.
Well, you still have your scent.
Oh my god. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Ha.
And you know what?
What?
In some cases, this could be porn because people like to watch people eat. Sometimes.
Ew.
Well, you're turning some people on right now. You're just like.
How do you know? How do you know? How do you know that?
Don't ask.
Are you getting turned on by me eating right now?
No.
Really? Because I'm getting turned on watching you. Ew, if you're one of those sick people who are jacking off for me eating right now, you're really weird and perverted. Ew, makes me lose my appetite. Ew. You jacked off the food. Like, really? Oh my god, I got a headache. Stop. A contest for the best butt! What, the biggest butt? The contest for the biggest. Dude, that.
Well, they haven't seen me yet. I would win.
Oh my god. Oh, I love this piece of the of the meat. I love that piece.
Ready for old guys masturbating to this? Look at that.
It's juicy. Don't be hating on my chicken. You can eat that.
No, you want it?
Yes. You don't like the...
No, you can have it.
You don't like the skin?
I like the skin. You can have it though.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I'm almost done. My fried chicken.
I think you're turned on by the chicken.
That'd be funny if I choked right now. My chicken.
That wouldn't be funny.
And then you do the Heimlich maneuver and then big chicken for the camera. That'd be funny.
I'm not doing mouth to mouth though. Sorry.
I got a headache. Stop making me laugh. Like, really, it hurts. I got a headache. We're so sad.
What?
I don't know. I need some Tylenol. No. I don't need chicken so much.
It's a snack for later.
I just think so unlucky. God, it's everywhere. Like, you guys want to see? Got it. I'm just gonna suck on it.
You just want to suck one.
Oh yeah.
I hope I heard that correctly. We got some dumb laughs.
I know. My fucking
What are you looking
I
at?
don't know. It's so chewy.
Maybe you're chewing on some fat. You're done?
Huh?
You piggy.
Now let's watch that video. Think about it in the camera.
Bye.
Oh yeah, me and Brittany are gonna make gossip videos, and I'm gonna do her makeup. She's gonna do mine. Oh yeah.